We made it to 3,000 people. Oh my gosh. Hey everybody, it's Kyla and I am here to inspire you along your health journey. And I'm so excited because we are officially at 3,000 strong in this health journey family. So thank you guys for coming in. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for, thank you. That this video inspires you to live a healthy life and that you can actually live past anything that's happening in your health journey. And the reason why I say that is because I have stage 4 endometriosis and I was able to live past my pain, but also like live a life without pain. And then also I was able to become a mom. It's truly, truly possible. And I'm just here to be a witness of it. So today in this video, I wanted to come in and do another Yoni Steam video, but I wanted to do a quarantine Yoni Steam video because realistically, y'all, we can't get out. All of our favorite steamers and, you know, companies is selling out all the Yoni Steam stuff. So I'm gonna show you how I do a quick DIY steam at home with the things that I have around my house. All right, you ready? I'm starting to be more of a gardener, so I have a lot of things around my house that I can put into my Yoni Steam, and I do that on purpose because everything that I pretty much steam with, I could probably use as a tea, right? So today I'm gonna do a Yoni Steam with mint and elderberry. Elderberry is great because it fights off cold and flu symptoms, but it's also great for infections. And then mint is just so refreshing. So my cycle is about to come on and I am going to be using these goodies. And I'll be honest with you, like this steam is inspired by honey pot. I don't know if you guys have tried honey pot, but honey pot is an amazing product by a Black woman, I must say. And there's been a lot of controversy around the fact that she's received so much backlash from her wanting to just be Black and proud. But I'm inspired by this because her night pads actually have infused oil of both mint and lavender. And when you actually bleed on the pad, it's as if you are having a Yoni Steam. And yes, it is a magical experience, even for those who have horrible cycles. So try it if you are down to try it, but we're gonna go ahead and get started with this Yoni Steam. All right guys, so here I have my little mini crock pot that I shared in my Yoni Steam video. And all I'm gonna do is one, put in my Yoni berries. They're already getting a little wet in here. Hold on, I gotta salvage those. So putting all my little Yoni berries in there. And then I'm actually gonna break up some of my mint and throw it in there as well. All right guys, so here I have my washed off and picked mint leaves, and then I'm gonna actually save these because I'm going to regrow these, and I can show you guys how to do that as well. Let me know down below if you're interested in learning how to grow your own mint. And I'm just gonna throw that in there like so. So we are going to steam this like we would steam any other Yoni Steam. I'm gonna cover it, let it steep, and then we'll sit on it. All right, see you in a sec. All right, so our steam is ready. This is what it looks like. And it smells amazing. So let's get steamed. All right guys, so here is the start of my actual Yoni Steam. I like put my blanket over it just to build up that steam. And then sometimes I just feel my hand under here to see if it's ready. Not quite ready. So I'll let it steam out and then I'll sit on it, put my hemorrhoid seat on top, and we're steaming. All right guys, so we are ready to steam. We have our pillow here, our crate here that I talked about in our last steam video, and then our pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. All right, ladies, I hope this video inspired you. If you are a beginner, you can make this happen. You can do it. I promise you, you can do it with things around your house. And yeah, if you know another woman out there who probably needs a little inspiration in this area, share this video with them. All right, guys, until next time. Peace. Daddy, Mama. You okay? No. No. Go get your covers. Here's your covers. Here. Those are yours.